Hi everyone, Meher Aunty here. And it turns out that some of you really are enjoying my playbook called Zalalit, and that one of your favorite techniques is the almost slap. Now, some of you are worried that you may look bad if you do an almost slap, so I'm here to teach you how to do it and get away with it at the same time. So, as I said, and I think I've said this, if I haven't, listen, try and bully someone out. You know, it's important that the almost slap is an almost last resort, okay? So what you do is spread rumors about them for months on end, and of course yell at them and yell at them and yell at them. Now, if somebody is just so difficult that a yelling doesn't work, that is when you go running and lunge and almost slap. Do not slap. As much as you want to, do not actually slap. Do not slap, because then you can't say na. I mean, it's very important to be able to say lagi to nahi na, lagi to nahi na. It's very important to say that. It's very important to say kya bakwas hai, chup karo, mummy daddy bacche, taking it too seriously. It's so much fun. It's so much fun to do this. So, I mean, if you actually slap someone, it could become a problem. So if you almost slap, then you can actually have a lot of fun with it and say कि क्या हुआ, लगी तो नहीं ना, that kind of stuff. मतलब बेटा थोड़ा सा तशद्दुद है, कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं. Anyway, once the fun of that is over, remember, it is physical assault, but it's almost, therefore not quite. And logically, if it's not quite, then it doesn't exist. And if it doesn't exist, logically it never happened, right? So because it doesn't exist, it never happened, you can use that very, very strong logical argument to have it stricken from the record, to make sure it is not in your record. Please make sure it's not in your record, because, you know, legacy. We do have to die. Why do I have to die? Anyway, I hope that I've explained the almost slap to you well enough. Enjoy it, and remember you must say lagi to nahi na, lagi to nahi. And do remember, I fought Zia so I could become Zia.